part of China and 10 north of Tibet. So-called autonomic Xinjiang. Xinjiang is a colonial name, means new country, new country. Now China's government is committing genocide of people of West Turkestan. There are more than 3 million Uyghurs in concentration camp in West Turkestan. That's a picture. Prominent Uyghurs, prominent Uyghurs, victim of the Chinese genocide. This is Professor Kashmir Kiev, Professor and former president of the Xinjiang University. All people, as university professors, scholars, journalists, artists, athletes, businessmen, influencers, all so-called rehabilitation. This is a complete two picture. One is a concentration camp in East Turkestan. Is 2017. This is a concentration camp in the Treaty World War in Germany. Complete two concentration camp. And this is who is next? Who is next? And now China is begin a new project, one road and one way project. Now is a one project must go on this country. And next will be so dangerous. Next time is another country. Chinese government is so dangerous. This is 48 ways to get us Chinese concentration camp. It's also a famous camp. It is as faith. This is my father, mother, and the three brothers. I didn't get any information about they are safe for concentration camp. I don't know. So dangerous situation. Not only me, but all people who are faced the same situation. This is the old flag. And here on one table. And if you want to hear the signature, I collect the signature for the human rights. Yeah, here is the signature. One is going to send to United Nations, one thing is going to pass to Parliament. Okay, yeah, this different. Yeah, Kalamba member? Yeah, Kalamba.
Portuguese language. But here is English language.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Right in the country in Brasilia. The next signature.
Portuguese
And
can.
if you want to reach it, please, if you want to reach your sign to your mother language in the Portuguese language, right here, stop concentration camp.
Okay.
Would you like it?
Yes, yes.
Brazilian Free as Turkestan and Shogun concentration camp.
Free Turkestan.
Free as Turkestan.
Ex-Turkestan or Turkestan?
As Turkestan.
Okay.
Free as Turkestan and the Shogun concentration camp in East Turkestan. Assalomu alaykum qarindoshlar. Bugun 2019-yil 1 ayning 10 kuni deganda mana bu namoyishni boshlayotdim. Mana biz braziliyalikkan kelib birdan ahvollarni tushan dedim. Shunda qo'ygan ekan bu imzo qo'ygan jadval imzo qo'yib turib yerga xat kesib turyapti. Sharq Turkiston mustaqillik, Sharqdan jazolarga taqolsin deb. Mana ko'ryapsizlar. And this day.
This is my name.
Your name again, day.
What date today?
Today is 6 January.
6/1/2019.
Right, yeah, and here the Brazil.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for making me understand a bit about this ex-Turkestan situation.
Hold on, Mr. Time. Ha? Besvettiniz mi? Yes, nakım besvettan deyim. Bir şey toğratıyorum, ayı toğratıyorum. Reklam, niye kemer? Besvettiniz burada.